Here is the architecture for our medical transcription chatbot solution. We store medical transcriptions in S3 bucket and sync them with Amazon Kendra to create index. When a user asks questions on chatbot page, relevant documents and fetched from Kendra. These snippets from medical transcriptions are passed to LLM model hosted on SageMaker Jumpstart to generate response. Response is displayed on chatbot page. Dataset used for this demonstration contains medical transcriptions jotted down by doctors. Let me paint the scenario how this solution brings immense benefits to doctors in hospitals. By seamlessly integrating with a chatbot, doctors can effortlessly search and access medical transcriptions stored in Kendra indices. This enables them to quickly refer to past procedures they have performed, enhancing their efficiency and accuracy in patient care. With our solution, doctors can access crucial information with ease, improving their workflow and decision-making process. Here is our chatbot demo page. Over here we have a text box, where as a doctor I can type in a question and click submit. Now to showcase this, I will now type in a question a doctor might ask. Is there an example of inguinal hernia repair in our database? And now let's hit submit. When I hit submit, we will get answer from medical transcriptions curated by hospital. And in a few seconds, we will see the answer. Here it is. Yes, there are multiple examples. Let's look at some of these documents. These documents are hosted on S3 buckets. Note that these documents do not go to public servers for training, and they are only accessible to authorized personnel. Similarly, there are other transcriptions available. Here a doctor could read medical transcription on hernia repair that has been performed in the hospital earlier. They can use this as a reference or come to conclusion based on their domain-specific knowledge. Similarly, there are other transcriptions for the same procedure. Let's see a slightly more layman question a doctor can ask to show the capabilities of our large language model. Here a doctor is asking, the patient experienced an acute allergic reaction with an uncertain cause. What procedure was performed for further allergy evaluation and treatment? He would like to know what should be the next action item in this scenario based on existing medical transcription. And here it is, we can tell from the response that RAST allergy testing was performed for both food and environmental allergies. It also gives a context link. Now the doctor can go through an example where a patient of age 34 has been given an allergy test and symptoms have been noted down. Let's look into a few more examples. The question being asked by doctor can be framed in any way, and our LLM will be able to understand the context of the question. Here the doctor is demanding, give me all transcription of instances where we have performed cystopyelogram. Here it is. Here we can see documents related to cystopyelogram. And now one last example where a doctor can list all symptoms their patient is showing and would like to narrow down on other medical transcriptions that showed similar symptoms. Here the doctor has mentioned patient exhibiting following symptoms: worsening groin bulge with activity, groin pain during lifting, coughing, or bending, aching or burning sensation in the groin, weakness or pressure in the groin, heaviness or dragging feeling in the groin. Give me similar transcriptions for these symptoms. LLM model also take into consideration for grammatical errors, conversational errors, and sentence formation errors. So, this has given us 2 transcriptions, which are the symptoms of this particular condition.